Hi, welcome to Bloom Accounting. A client just asked me, how do I create an invoice? So this video is just to help you do that. So you click on plus new at the top once you log into your QuickBooks. You go to invoice. Here at the customer, you want to select a customer. If not, you can set up one. It's easy. You can do it right inside the field. So I already have one set up as ABC test customer. Okay. The product, I'm an accounting firm, so I would put what my product is, which I have set up as T2. Again, you can set these up right in the field. So if you wanted to do a particular service, you just click the add new and it'll set it up right in the field. So you can use it again in the future without having to do it and track your sales categories. Pretty cool. So corporate tax return, my flat rate currently is $9.50. So sales taxes. Now, this field here depends on what you put on this field here, amounts are. So you can use exclusive of tax. So I am putting GST on top, right? But if I was to use, say, oh, I'm charging 997.5, but I have included the GST, then I would put inclusive of tax and put GST here. Yeah. And depending on what you're selling, services or products, or if you're, zero rated GST or taxable GST, you would toggle the fields accordingly. Okay, and those are all the tax rates there. Once you're done, mine is, again, it's $9.50 and I charge GST on top. So I'm going to put exclusive. Those $997 and then save. And that's it. Now, QuickBooks has the ability to send the invoices out by email. So that's this field upper left here, customer email. And you can, if I have placed an email in here, I can send that directly to the client. Yeah. You can also set up QuickBooks so that the client receives the email, clicks on it, and is able to pay by their credit card. Now, QBO has its own merchant fees, and you can see that up here. Get set up on online payments. If you need to have this set up, let me know. I'd be happy to help. Cheers.